Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Bhateja. I welcome you all on Sri Siddhivinayak Educational Trust Study channel. Today we are going to discuss about the second chapter of 11th Physics, that is units and measurement. In the earlier session we studied about physics. What is physics? The study of natural phenomena. Physics is a branch of science in which we study about the natural phenomena. To explain any natural phenomena, all we need is measurement. The measurement is necessary for the study of natural phenomena. Now, what is quantity? Quantity has two parts. First one is magnitude and second is its unit. Magnitude is the numerical part and this is the unit of the quantity. Quantity is mainly of two types. Quantity is mainly of two types. First one is physical quantity and the second one is non-physical quantity. Now, what is physical quantity? The quantity that can be measured is known as physical quantity. For example, the quantity that can be measured, the quantity that can be measured is known as physical quantity. For example, length, area, volume, pressure and etc. Non-physical quantity, the quantity that can't be measured. The quantity that can't be measured. For example, cuteness, wishes, expressions, feelings, etc. The quantity is mainly of two types. First one is physical quantity and the second one is non-physical quantity. The quantity that can be measured is known as physical quantity and the quantity that can't be measured is known as non-physical quantity. In physics, we will going to discuss about the physical quantities. The physical quantities must have two things. First one is magnitude and the second one is its unit. Now, what is unit? What is unit? A unit is a standard parameter. A unit is a standard parameter with which physical quantity is compared. A unit is a standard parameter with which physical quantity is compared. For example, of physical quantity, that is length. If the length is compared with meter, then the unit of this length will be meter. If it is compared with centimeter, it can also be compared with kilometer, millimeter, mile, etc., etc. So the unit is the standard parameter. These all are the standard parameters: meter, centimeter, kilometer, millimeter, and miles. Units are mainly of two types. Number first, fundamental units, or these can also say as base units, and the second one is derived units. Fundamental units are the basic units that are decided by the scientist. These are almost 7 units are there, and the derived units are those units that are derived from the fundamental units are known as derived units. In these fundamental units, there are mainly 7 units, and these units are, we are studying this unit, quantity, unit, and its symbol. The first quantity is mass. The unit of mass is kilogram. Its symbol is small k, small g. Second quantity is length. The unit of length is meter, and the symbol is small m. Third one is time. The unit of time is second, and the symbol is small s. Fourth, electric current. The unit of current is ampere, and its symbol is capital A. The fifth one is quantity of substance. Its unit is mole, and the symbol is MOL. All these are in small letters. Sixth one is luminous intensity. We can say light. Its unit is candela, and its symbol is small c, small d. And the last one is temperature. Its unit is Kelvin, and the symbol is capital K. Beside these units, there are 2 more units that are plane angle, and the second one is solid angle. The unit of plane angle is radian, and its symbol is small rad, and the unit of solid angle is steradian, and its unit is small s, small r, steradian. Now, what is the plane angle and what is the solid angle? The plane angle is the angle made by any arc or at any point. Let this is an arc AB having length small l and radius small r. The angle made by any arc at any point on a plane is known as plane angle. Here we can see the theta is equal to L by R. This theta is known as plane angle. Its unit will be radian. And what is the solid angle? Solid angle is the angle made by any area. Angle made by any area at any point is known as solid angle. Let we have an area capital A, the angle made by this area at point O is known as solid angle. If the radius is smaller, then solid angle can be written as area divided by its radius to square. Its unit is steradian. So these are the 7 fundamental units and the 2 angle units, plane angle and solid angle. These are the fundamental units. Now we will discuss about the system of units. System of units. There are mainly 3 system of units. Number first, MKS system of units. Number second, CGS system of units, and number third, FPS system of units. In this system, M stands for meter, K stands for kilogram and S stands for second. The system in which the length is measured in meter and the mass in kilogram and the time in second is known as MKS system. In CGS system, C stands for centimeter, G for gram, S for second. In this system, the length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in grams and time is measured in second. This system is known as CGS system. In FPS system, the length is measured in foot, mass is measured in pound and the time is measured in second is known as FPS system. In all these 3 systems, second is the common thing. In MKS system, length is measured in meter and mass in kilogram and time in second. Now, what is important in these systems, we will study about the conversion of the systems, MKS into CGS and CGS into MKS, or CGS into FPS, or FPS into CGS, or MKS into FPS, or FPS into MKS. Now, we will, before the conversion of the system, we have to learn that how many centimeters are there in 1 meter and how many foot are there in 1 meter? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and 3.25 foot. Is equals to 39 inches. 1 kilogram is equals to thousands of grams is equals to 2.2 pound. Okay. Now the next is the derived units. The derived units are the units that are derived from the fundamental units, and there are infinite number of derived units in the physics. The most commonly used derived units we are going to study here: quantity and the unit. The first one is area. The formula of area is equals to length square. The unit of the length is meter, so its unit becomes meter square. Second one is volume. The formula of volume is length to the cube and its unit becomes meter cube. Speed, the formula of speed will be distance upon time. The unit of distance is meter and the unit of time is second. We can say the unit of speed is meter per second, or we can write meter second inverse. Number fourth, velocity. Displacement by time. The unit of velocity will remain same as speed. Number fifth, force. The formula for force will be mass time accelerations. The unit becomes, the unit of mass is meter and the unit of acceleration is, unit of mass is kg and the unit of acceleration is meter second minus 2, and the unit of force becomes kg meter second minus 2. Like as work, the formula for work will be force time displacement the unit of force is kg meter second minus 2 and the unit for displacement is meter. Thus the unit for work becomes kg meter square second minus 2. There are so many derived quantities like as pressure, density, electric current, pressure, density, electric current, energy, torque, efficiency, enthalpy, entropy. These units we will discuss in our next lecture. Thank you for the class. Thank you.